Yeah, here we are. Nice quiet Thursday afternoon. It's wet. It's gray. Dogs don't seem to care all that much. Tucker's climbing a tree. Hey, Tucker? Chloe. Hi, sweetheart. How you doing? Her beautiful new shimmery green collar. Ooh. Matches all the wet leaves. And we got Mr. Bailey. Bailey boy. Hi, buddy. And Jabbler. Little Sniper. And Mr. Jackson, who's joined us today. Hi, buddy. Yeah, nice quiet walk. No one's been too crazy. Not too much play. A lot of sniffing and rolling. To be expected with these two. Yeah, it's been a good day. Hey, Jabbler? Yeah, it's been a good day.